Hari Om, Shri Ram, Ambadnya. My name is Sanika Vira Jadhav from Thane Upasana Kendra. My Anubhav is regarding the immense love of Bapu which he keeps showering on all of us. And to begin with my Anubhav, this is from 2020, the year of pandemic when all of us were in our houses shut, and at that time I was in my final year of bachelor's in bioanalytical sciences, and my plan was pretty simple. I have always been with plans, with future plans, how to go about with the studies and what to do, and everything was planned and sorted in my life, and I have always been living this type of life. So it was all planned that after my bachelor's I would go for my master's, and so on. And I never really thought that I would have to take a break due to certain reasons. But yeah, it was the day of 28th of April when my parents, my mother and my father, came up to me with a very heavy heart. My father explained me his situation, that it is really difficult to continue with my masters, and he was asking me for a solution, to come up with a solution. So with my Bapu gave me all the courage and the confidence to say that no, I would take up a job, I will do it, and not an issue, we can complete my masters after few years. So after giving this assurity to my father, I immediately, from the very next day, I started my job hunt, and I kept searching, but I really couldn't find any decent job which was of my interest. So I was really disheartened that I couldn't find anything, any proper job. I was finding something really which was not at all interesting, or which was not really worth my knowledge and my degree. So my father told me that not an issue, you can, since the master's fees are really high, you can search for some type of a course. Instead of sitting at home, you can search for some type of a course which is of interest to you, and then we can continue with your masters once you complete the course. So I was searching for a course in regulatory affairs, but at that time I contact one of my seniors to ask regarding the course, and my senior, he gave me somebody else's number, which was again another senior of mine, because that particular girl, she was quite expertise in it. So when I contact her, she straight away she asked me that instead of going and doing some course, why don't you assist me? I am the head of the department in so and so company. So I quickly agreed to it. For that, I had to relocate Silvassa. That was the company terms, that since the company was based in Silvassa, I had to relocate over there. And it is really surprising that when I see out, I was really, even at that time I was aware of this thing, but today I realize it on a very better note, that at that time when I started working in that particular department, I was not really eligible for it with respect to degree, with respect to knowledge, and with respect to the amount of responsibilities that were delegated to me. So my father was really disturbed because of this, and I continued with the job. I was really loving it, I was happy with what I was doing, but somewhere definitely it was always in my mind that I am lacking a particular degree, and this is not going to help me in a longer run, so I have to complete my masters. But there was no, I did not really have any option, I did not have any kind of finance. So suddenly in July 2021, out of the blue, I thought that I should apply, enroll for masters now, because this is the high time and things are getting really competitive around me. So I called up my father. I was in Silvassa. I called up my father. I told him that, Daddy, I really want to enroll for masters. I really feel insecure with where I mean, wherever I am working, I really feel insecure. I think I should enroll for masters now. And we were really clueless that how to go about it, because we did not have any kind of finance or anything. I just wanted to go for it, and I knew my Bapu will definitely make all the provisions for my pursuit. And I just went ahead. I wrote a mail to the managing director of the company where I was working, I told him that I am enrolling myself for the master's degree in the same subject. This will aid in my career and will contribute better to the company. And to my surprise, the managing director replied me saying that that's a great news. I would like to fund your education, your master's degree, and you can go for it. And also, I would like to highlight this, that this particular degree was not at all a correspondence course or distance education. It was a regular course where students have to come, where students have to go college. But since it was pandemic, everything was closed, I just had to attend my practical sessions, and my company, my managing director had allowed me to attend my practical sessions and all of that. Suddenly, later on, my first semester happened, and then later on it was the time of paying the fees. At that time something went wrong, and the managing director of that particular company, suddenly he said that yeah, we will fund for your education, but you will have to sign a bond of 2 years. So for me, relocating to Silvassa, going away from my family, since I was the youngest child in the family, the very beloved of all of them, it was really hard. It was a hard time to stay away from the family. And again, a bond of 2 years was really difficult. It was a very big thing for me. So I asked for some time to think about it. I discussed it with my family, and my father straight away told me that do not stay in pressure, do not sign any kind of bond, don't worry, you just say thank you to your managing director and I'll see how I can arrange for the funds. And I agreed to what my father said, and out of the blue my father got certain amount of money from his office as a bonus, and he paid my part 1 fees for my master's degree, and I continued the education. After that, after few years, as I mentioned earlier, I really took it as a sacrifice in my career to move out of the city to stay away from my parents. But how can we forget that Bapu never makes his child compromise. He has a very big heart, so he had better plans for me. Those plans were definitely better than what I had planned for myself. And suddenly I again started searching for jobs. I started my job hunt again to see if I can relocate. I can move back to Mumbai, to the city where I belong. And I started searching, and yes, today in the month of September I found a company, and I can proudly say that it is entirely my Bapu's, my Motiai's and my entire Chandika Kul's grace that I work in a very reputed company, on a very important and a very significant position over there. And my master's degree, my all the routine plans and everything is intact with the new company also. So yeah, Bapu's grace is endless, and Bapu is with us all the time. Hari Om.